at the Brea Art Gallery in Brea, California, seeing the PaperWorks Refolded exhibit. This is the second iteration of this type of exhibit here. We did one back in 2013 with completely different artists. And so this time we're featuring a whole new group of 20 artists working in paper. Real goal for me to curate this show, because it's the first show I've done 100% on my own here at the Brea Gallery, was to expose our viewers, like both locally and surrounding like LA, Orange County areas, to some things they thought might not be possible, or really like they come in and they see some of these works that they think, how is that paper? That's, you know, you wouldn't imagine that paper would be the primary, you know, element in these pieces. So just trying to have such a broad diversity of the work that's in this exhibition and show people that really there's like no boundaries to what you can do with paper. It's just really kind of the motivating factor here, and I think a lot of people just this early on are picking up on that. There are some very prominent artists in this exhibition, which we're really honored to have. As I mentioned, there are artists from all over the US. One of the artists in the exhibit, Nikki Rosato, I borrowed her work from a very wonderful gallery that she works with in New Orleans, and we're fortunate to have 4 of her pieces in the show. We have artists from New York, from San Diego, from up north in like San Francisco, San Jose area. And quite a few prominent artists in LA as well that are working with us. We were very fortunate to have Adey from San Diego, whose work I've been personally following for like 6 years. Curating the exhibition took about 6 months. Perhaps a little longer than that, with ideas starting back last year, but just reaching out to artists that I'd already known, had been familiar with. I've done exhibits with some of these people before, showing different mediums of theirs that they work in, and then as well doing a lot of research online, finding local artists as well as artists from all over the US to kind of illustrate the ways that paper can be used to make artwork.